Hey guys, and welcome back. So today, I know I look like the freaking Little Mermaid or something right now, but today I will be showing you how to do the goth. Well, this is my gothic makeup tutorial. It may not match everyone's, and I'm definitely no professional. So stay tuned. I have my primer, concealer, and foundation. Again, that is, if you want to know what that is, check out my other makeup video. So first I'm going to apply concealer. I am so sorry about the fucking light. It's horrible. Ah. Like, I had a better light, but... ah! Yeah, I gotta take that out for a second. So you're gonna put it all over your face until you're like a grease monkey or something? Because... you're gonna have this shit all over your face. All over. Let that dry for a minute. And I actually just showered, but... now, I'm going to take your foundation. Oh my god, I lost my foundation. That's why. Take your brush or your pad and just apply your foundation. I'm already pretty white, so it doesn't take much to cover my skin. Sorry about the light. I know I'm probably fucking glowing right now. Okay. And next, you're gonna want to apply this. This is my ghostly white cream makeup. It's not even a powder, it's a cream. And again, and this is what I did for National Gothic Day. And I just have to say, I appreciate goths. Because some of our beliefs are the same. See, I go into the white light and I just disappear. I also look kind of pink, I've noticed. And I personally do not like that. If you prefer to put a powder on top of all of this, I would suggest baby powder because it's easier and softer on your skin. You're just gonna want to get all up in there. Do not get this shit in your eye though. Cause one, yeah, just don't get it in your eye. It'll sting like a bitch. Looks like I'm putting like old-timey shaving cream on my face. But I'm really not. Okay. And there's your white base. That you can use white on. Like, obviously you would get all the spots. I do not have powder handy. So, I am so sorry about that. It's actually my phone vibrating. Okay, so that is as white as I can get it with this particular makeup. Next, you are gonna want your black or possibly red lipstick. I prefer black. And if you want it ultra dark under your lipstick, put a black cream, like one of those eyeshadow things, and just put it under there as a base, and you will have lipstick, yeah, all day. Okay. Now I am using a black base for my eyeshadow. And don't skimp on the black. Because, as I know from a couple of my goth friends, the more black and the darker, the better. And yeah, you may look a little scary. You may scare the neighborhood kids. But you know what? As long as you look good to you, that's all that matters. Okay, now I'm going to take my powdered black eyeshadow out of my palette, which is from Matte, and just dab it on, because the powder is going to stick. To the cream foundation that you just put on. And if you want to shade over your eyebrows, or you have no eyebrows and you want to create some, that's good too. Really just do your own thing, but this is my tutorial on my particular Gothic look that I did for International Goth Day. Next, you gotta have your eyeliner, your black eyeliner. You gotta have it. I am so sorry my phone keeps vibrating. Giggity. Just put that under there. And you want to make that shit noticeable. You put a thick layer if you want. Just do not stick your eye out. That would suck. Alrighty, and I know I'm not wearing black clothes, but this is my, well, I'm gonna do my brows. I know that looks stupid, but it's kind of hard because I don't know much about eyebrows, so, but that is pretty scary. Alright, well, that is my tutorial, and yeah, the bruises add to the awesomeness, so, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, or like, or tweet, or whatever the social media shit is nowadays. And by the way, to the Yanni and Laurel challenge, I've heard that shit. It says Yanni clear as day. Bye.